What is going on, Lunatic Fringe? I hope you're having a great morning. My name is Bleaves. You know why you're here. You know what we're here to talk about. Luna Classic, and we're going to talk a little bit about Luna, and we're going to talk a little bit about USTC, because that's just what we do around here. If you like this type of content, make sure you hit the like button on the way in. Let's get after it right away. Okay, guys, new format, just a little bit here, but the number one thing that I wanted to point out to you is Weex, W-E-E-X. If you haven't already, sign up for it. I'm going to show you why this is so important. You can see right here, there is USTC futures trading, Luna futures trading, and Luna Classic futures trading. So, and by the way, you can see the volume of trading right here, 1.53 million on Luna Classic today, 13.73 million on USTC today, 2.39 on Luna today. So if you are looking for a place in the United States or anywhere else, this is a non-KYC exchange, meaning they don't ask, you don't tell. This is DeFi. So you are able to come here, set yourself up with positions, and start trading today. Luna Classic, USTC, and Luna. If you are so inclined and you are interested in it, come check it out for sure. There's a link in the description down below. Also, before you get started, remember they're giving away $11,000 all the way up through February 9. You got a couple more days to try to win $11,000. And it would be nice if somebody from my set right here won, because that gives me bragging rights as well with Terra Casino. So sign up today, start playing, and start earning. All right, guys, this is kind of a real article that just came out, and we got to talk about it. Terra Luna Classic records a 21% drop despite 1.6 billion LUNC burn. What's next for the LUNC price? It's been a tough week for cryptocurrencies, with most of them dropping sharply after Donald Trump announced new tariffs on Mexico, China, and Canada. Now, the tariffs were temporarily halted, but the price did not bounce back. And by the way, if you're looking at it from a Terra Luna Classic perspective, and you are saying something like, well, then it doesn't bounce back, it might be dead, it's got to be it's got to be dead, they're totally dead. And that's the way you talk in my head, because you say dumb shit like that. So let me tell you what's really going on, and it's a lot simpler than that. All right, so from this article, we come to the charts. Look at this pattern that formed right here. We had a nice dip here, and then we had sideways consolidation. Oh, but wait, let's look at the total market cap. Oh, look, we had a dip here, and then sideways consolidation. Oh, look, let's do total 2. Oh, look, we had a dip here, and we had sideways consolidation. Let's look at total 3 just to be safe here. Oh, look, we had a dip and then sideways consolidation, but let's just clarify with Bitcoin, if we will, a little bit. Oh, look, the same pattern. Let me try Ethereum, because it can't just be this easy, could it? Oh, wow, look at that. The whole thing is just, and let me try Solana. Just say, oh, look at that. It's all the same thing. Now, if you came over here in the last couple days into the comment section, and by the way, if you don't think it's going to pump, then let me know in the comment section down below. But here's the thing. If you did, and you said, it's dead, bro, it's not going to come back. Nothing came back, dum-dum. So I don't think you know what you're talking about. You're not good at this. Anyway, so tracking Luna Classic, guess what? As it goes, it's no better or worse than any of the other ones. And I think, I can't say with 100% certainty, because nothing is 100% certain in crypto, but I get the sense right now, when I looked and just kind of moved around with those charts a few minutes ago, I feel like Ethereum seems to be the one that kind of resonates the most in the charting and the trading and the pattern and everything. So I think we might be correlated to Ethereum a little bit right now, and because Ethereum, just like most other cryptos, has not been surging nearly the way that Bitcoin has. The only other ones have been Solana and XRP. Really, maybe some Ondo. You know, there are going to be some cryptos out there that have had okay runs, but nothing is really just taken off, other than meme coins and ridiculous gambling. So we're tied up with something right now, and I want to say that it kind of feels like it's Ethereum. All right, so we're gonna move. We'll see some movement coming, but we've just been kind of, I don't know, it's been a difficult sort of thing. That's the best I can say. And you can see that really kind of, other than that little breakout attempt right there, there's kind of been a push down, and you can see the same thing over here. It's not a great pattern to play out. Maybe you can make this argument here. I don't think so. It doesn't make sense this way. So, what we can say is we've got this kind of pennant forming, and it doesn't look the best, but we got a pennant forming, and because the pattern that we seem to be on is lower highs and then the same lows, that's a break to the bottom. So I don't think that's going to happen, but that's the pattern that's playing out right now. Of course, a couple days ago, we were talking about the pattern going up to begin with. So these things are fickle and, could change at any moment. So there you have this is what the charts really look like. And when you look at it on USTC, you really see the same thing. This is the whole thing playing out over and over and over again. Every single one of these is doing, there we go, the same thing. So we're messing around right now with the 50 MA. If we get to a shot up into and get positive motivation, bounce above it and start using it as support, then we get a breakout here, breakout above, and then maybe we get back to where we were a couple days ago. That is entirely in the cards. Just because you don't see it right now doesn't mean that it's not going to happen. This market has been very, very... Institution is manipulating you, and I hope you understand and you see that. Institution, whales, they've been manipulating everything that's going on, and you shouldn't be afraid, okay? You should embrace it, recognize that you're being manipulated, reject it, and just allow for the market to go. Because the market will go. They're relying on you to exit a position, get scared. On January 25th, Cryptonomy kicked off a private sale for its own cryptocurrency, and it was sold out in a matter of minutes. But they also received a promise of another offer from a major investment firm in the TradFi sector to acquire part of the business. This could be a game changer for Cryptonomy. With the market still down, investing in Cryptonomy interest accounts right now could greatly affect your ability to earn profit and significantly multiply your assets. The public pre-sale of Cryptonomy is going to be announced very soon, and combined with the latest developments, it's likely going to see a fast demand and strong early earnings in this listing phase. The merger with a major financial player is also going to further boost Cryptonomy's infrastructure and influence, setting the stage for an explosive growth. Now, for those of you wondering, I did make a new deposit. I'm going to choose on this round. We're going to do a 9-month sponsorship right here for Ondo. I'm going to put in 10,500 Ondo in this 9-month stake. Yield return on this is 91.8. But folks, the place where the earnings are held. Look at ChainAware, a 1,000x for Cryptonomy.finance. And if you had a stake in the Launchpool, then you received rewards for that too. Look at CreatorBid at 6x. There's a lot of money being made right now. Sign up at Cryptonomy.finance today. They're relying on that from you because that's how they make you sell, which allows them to buy at a more inexpensive price, which means that when you buy back in, you're buying back in on top of them, which makes their price go up even more. And I hope everybody understands that's what's happening with the market at this particular moment. Now, as far as volume way down on, and by the way, volume way down on everything in the last little while. No proposals up. There were some over here on Commonwealth that look like they will be coming up for proposals. They just have not yet. As far as meme coins go, you can see here a little bit. Garuda X up about 10%. Roddy, another good day, up 7%. Cookie starting a little bit of a reversal. There's a lot of them that need to just kind of break out that have not yet broken out, and it will take some time, obviously. So we'll see how it goes, but up a little bit on the day. And if you're trading meme coins, the place to do that is Terra.finance. They make it so simple and so easy. Even one of you that think that Luna Classic is never going to go up, even you could figure out how to trade on this platform. Super, super easy. Come over here, check out all these meme coins, and not just meme coins, but utilities as well, like Juris Protocol, like the Selenium Protocol. Selenium presale is still in effect right now. You can go to, if you forget Selenium, how to spell it, whatever, you can come over to Terraport.finance and you can click on the pre-seal and you can sign up over here. Make it very, very easy. Also, liquid staking, etc. available, and I'm still earning some rewards over here. Got 7 days left on this stake. but we now have a little bit over 11,000 Terra. Maybe we're going to be at 11.1 in a couple days. We'll see what happens. Cookie is burning today, so that's a good sign. We definitely want to see Cookie continue to burn. They're going to burn their own token, and they're going to burn Luna Classic. So, and where do they rank? We'll look at that right now. These are the projects that are killing it right now. These are the projects that are doing the most burning. And of course, Terraform Labs was not on here at all until just recently. Number 7, now number 8 was Terra Casino. They've been a massive burner. Lunatics token, DF LUNC, all nodes, KuCoin, LUNC burn app. LUNC Cookie Monster is number 12 overall. That is a significant burn protocol. Terraport.finance is number 13. Lunasphere number 14. And number 15 is Bybit. So we now know the biggest burners, and we are tracking them every single day. Now, the last 7 days, 1.71 billion have been burned. It's not huge. That's not huge. That is a good amount, though. And as long as we can keep that sort of amount, we're going to be in good shape. Not great, but good shape. Also today, about 44 million so far, so it could be kind of a down day, but we had 318 million the day before, then we had 80 million yesterday, so we're on the right track. We're on the right track to continue large burns. We've seen this happening, and as long as something like this really continues to happen, we're going to be in good shape. Now, we do have the concern, if you will, about Binance burns. We were hoping for something a little bit more aggressive than we got over there. And really, this could be that maybe the Asian markets are just not surging like we would have hoped. I mean, it's the best we can say. USTC, by the way, if you look, you notice right here, it's been a lot more burns than we've seen going up until this point. So increases in all of it, and stake supply. Look at this. You can just see here in the last couple of days, we've started to see a real surge here in the amount of supply that's been staked. Now, if we do that and we look at it from this context, we have to remember it was at 1.04 trillion, came down, and we saw this happening when the price started dumping because people started selling. We saw this play out, and now guess what? It looks like we've got a reversal from this downward momentum here on December 11th. So the stake supply starting to run back up. We might be passing a trillion fairly soon. So there you have it. I do think that this market is about to surge. I think that we are on a path as a market for a breakout, and I think that we're going to get shocked and surprised very, very shortly at how aggressively bears start to get wiped out in this market. I think that we're about to see a little bit of a mad capital inflow. I want to say that I think the first disbursement for tax returns comes out in exactly 10 days in the United States. So I think people are going to be flush with cash over the next 2 months, and I think that's going to kick off this big, big rally. But we need to get that money flowing in over the next couple of days. I think we're not going to see a flushing, because they don't want you to see institution, the people who kind of control and manipulate these markets. They don't want you, if you're getting a tax refund, to see the market dipping. They want to see that you've got an explosive move, and they want to be able to they want to catch you in a FOMO so that you put your money into the market, because that's what they're trying to get. And the earliest of you, you're going to make it. The rest of you, like us, that are already here in the market, as long as we don't move our money around, we're going to make it too. But it's the retail that's coming in on top. Those are the people that become the exit liquidity, and it's going to happen. You're about to witness it. So remember that. And then remember, this is not financial advice, but I'm always right. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you again very soon.